Now student, in this lecture we can learn how we can uh, place GRD devices. So as you know that in the first of all we select dining hall. So this is our dining hall, and in dining hall we required 4775 CFM. So now from air terminal we select we select now we go I will go back from this HVAC. We select this air terminal, and then we select this load for load family option. So now here is you go to this air side component folder and then select this air terminal. So from here we have different, you see, grids, hoods, diffusers, return diffuser, supply diffuser. So different supply diffuser. So you can select this. I will select this diffusers now. Then after selecting this diffuser, so we select elevation from base elevation. So we give it this 10 feet height, and after that you select here the flow rate. So we require 600 CFM. So how much diffuser we place here, we divide this, we give formula this equal to, and then select this divided by 600. If we have 6, then 8 diffusers are required in here. So we place 8 diffusers, first diffuser here. So we select this diffuser, then go to edit option, edit type, add. So now here we select, we give width, height. Similarly here we write different codes, description and all type. So now we go back to Google. So here we can select right here top brands, top brand of grill and diffusers. So we select this Air Master diffuser. So from here you can select, this is also a catalog of Air Master, you can download from here. So here you see frame, high quality aluminum sheet of this thickness frame. This is the high quality sheet 1 mm thickness damper frame, and so these are high quality blades are used. These are ceiling diffuser description. So you can select all description from here, and you can also copy this description, and then so here we can write, we have also description option here. We paste this description here. So our description is, you can see our description is pasted here step by step. This similarly you can write cost of diffuser. So that's what we the cost of one diffuser is 10. We write here $100 per the cost of per diffusers. So this is roughly estimate of diffuser, cost of diffuser. Similarly you can write manufacturer name. So we write here the what is the name of Air Master equip. So we write manufacturer name. So we can also prepare BOQ and all things. Here you can write model XYZ model name, or you can select model from site. So here this is a catalog. So this is description of this catalog, and this is model ACD4. So this is the model ACD3. So you can see a description of all, and then select any model. So we write model name ACD4, ACD I can 3, ACD4 plus T. D4D. Similarly, here you can write the width one of the diffuser, so we can select this diffuser, select OK. Now again place diffuser. So this is diffuser 1, so we can select and place description diffuser 2. So you can also change the name of this diffuser, so select edit type, and from duplicate you can change the face and all from here. So we place same diffuser, that's why we can select again A terminal. We can select the place this 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 7 and 8 diffuser. So we have number of diffusers. So in this way we can place diffuser in dining hall. Similarly, we can also see the requirement of diffuser in our reception area. So you can select, and now we place 500 CFM diffuser. If we can place, then number of diffusers are 5.7, so we can give them 490. We change this into 460 CFM, 6.2. So if we can place 6 diffuser here, then how much divided by 6, 477.49 CFM required for. So we again select this, then from edit type we change the name of these diffusers, duplicate and give them 300, change size of diffusers right here 250, diffuser. So I can just change the name of diffusers. So here you write the model, select model A. I will select ACD3/D. So cost of diffusers $90. So manufacturer Airmaster. Similarly you can write, in description tag I will write the, from here you can write cost $90. Similarly description, so also write, we can copy. So from here master again copy this and write description here, select OK. Now here we can change CFM, so CFM per diffuser is 477.5. Select 477.5, and how much diffuser we place? 6 diffusers, 1 diffuser here, 1 here, similarly 1 diffuser here, 1 diffuser here, and 1 here. So we place 6 diffuser. Similarly in lobby we have 213 CFM required, so we can place only 1 diffuser of 201. We change the diffuser, similarly edit, our description here and write 230 cfm here for this. So we can select control and click on all diffusers. Now we give them elevation from base point. Here 0 is elevation, so we place this diffuser at the height of 10 feet from ground.